The topic that I am explaining is how to write a thesis. In writing a thesis, there are mainly three main points that must be observed to write a good thesis. First point is thesis structure. Second point, cross-cutting issues. Third point is editing your thesis. In thesis structure, we generally discuss the structure of the thesis, the points, the headings that we are going to write, the things that we are going to explain in through the headings. Next point is cross-cutting issues. In cross-cutting issues, we generally look forward to observe some things for writing a thesis. Next, third main point is editing your thesis. What's the way, what's the thing that you must observe, notice during editing your thesis? Now, for a brief introduction to the thesis structure, the first main point. Under thesis structure, the first heading is title page. In the title page, we generally introduce ourselves, means the author, the writer of the thesis. And secondly, the main point which we discuss is the mentor, the advisor, name, researcher's name, their institution, and email address of the researcher. Next, abstract, the second point under thesis structure. In abstract, we generally write importance of the paper in first line. Then we write the summary of the result, and then major implications of the work are discussed. A good abstract must be readable, concise and quantitative, because it must be easy to the reader to understand the things. Abstract do not have citations. Citation means a quotation or the reference to a book, paper or author. And the most important thing, that the information in the title should not be repeated. Repetition creates mess in the thesis. And secondly, the most important thing, that your abstract must be answering the questions. What did you do? Why did you do it? What were the questions that you were trying to solve? How did you do it? The method you used. And writing the significance. What is the significance of your paper of work? Third point, table of content. In table of content, we generally list the headings and subheadings with page numbers. It will be easy for the reader to find the things. Next, list of the figures. We write a short title, no long captions, no long statements with the page number, so that if one is finding any figure, he can find easily. Next is list of tables. Same, we write short captions with page number, so that if someone is finding the table related to the data, related to the work, he can find easily. Next point is introduction. Introduction must contains a statement of goal of your paper, that why are you writing the paper. Next, sufficient background information is important, that you must provide sufficient background information about the work you are working on. Put your focus on thesis question. Don't leave the path. In introduction, first you have to explain the old stuff that was researched before, and then you have to write the new researches held relating your work. And lastly, in introduction, break the whole material into logical segments, divide into parts. Next heading under thesis structure is methods. Actually, this is the point related to the scientific paper. It actually provides the reader to believe on his work. In method, you must describe material, procedure, theory, calculations, technique, procedure, equipments you used, and your limitations of the work, assumptions of the work. And you also explain analytical method or any statistical software you use during your work. Do not include description in method. And you also put information about that if someone else in any other state or in any other place wants to replicate your work or research on your work or want to restudy the work, can he be able to work on it? Next point under thesis structure is results. Firstly, it describes a statement of observation that includes statistics, tables, and graphs. In results, you describe the positive as well as the negative results. Show both the faces of the thing, of the work, and do not explain them. Lastly, break up into logical segments. Do not start writing and make it a whole paragraph. Divide into parts, sections. State the result in clear way so that any reader can understand it. Next point under thesis structure is discussion. We start stating the important results. It's like a brief essay. Now, in discussion, the questions that must be answered are that whether you was agree with the previous result or disagree with it. So you are researching about it again. Describing what is the relation between the present result to the original question. Describing multiple hypotheses mean that there are many explanations for the result. So describe all of them, not one that is your favorite one. Also write the things that you understand and know after your work. Also write a line for evidence or reasoning that supports your work. Also, in description, write the significance of your result. That why are you writing? What was the significance of your result? And lastly, you should break the whole discussion into parts. Moving forward, the next point is conclusion. In conclusion, you write the strongest and the important statement of your work that supports it. Next, what do you want to remember people about your work? What is the thing that your work is different from the others? And you must not repeat the words that are previously described, that you explained in abstract introduction or discussion. Do not repeat the words. Next point under thesis structure is recommendation. It includes when appropriate. Further researches that can be done to fill the gaps in the present work. And directions for the further investigation on the present work or the related topics. Next point under thesis structure is acknowledgement. In acknowledgement, you write about advisors and anyone who helped you during your work, during your paper, during your research, technically, intellectually, and financially, who supports you. Next point under thesis structure is reference. Write reference of the stuff that are not your own, and you also write the reference of your own statements. That's your own reference. All reference must be in alphabetical order. Now